already, no, I'm kidding, joke. Anyway, dry ice bomb. We're gonna go do this shit. It's gonna be dank as fuck. Really? Rain my shot? Alright, who the fuck cares? Let's go.
I was going outside with you.
Well, I was in the middle of an intro. Alright, so we gotta go get this dry ice. This is where we keep the dry ice. Whoa! Some shit in there you don't need to see right now. Halloween. Not kidding. Wow, beautiful dry ice. It's a tomahawk in there. Oh, we need the tomahawk. Could you acquire the tomahawk, cameraman? Hey, bud.
You got the worst accent.
Here it is. Fuck yeah.
Buddy.
Okay. Hey, make sure you have that slip on. Always, Evan. $800 camera. Fuck.
Sorry, man.
Alright,
My
so
fault.
there's not that much light outside, so it really does not matter. I'm gonna open it with the cap. Where's the banana? We're actually gonna use this banana to see how explosive this can be. Just gonna put it right beside it, right on it, right there.
What is the fuck is the banana for?
It's to measure amazingness. Fuck.
Make it quick. Battery's almost dead.
Okay, so we have dry ice. We're gonna make this quick. We're gonna break it up.
Clean that up. Oh, it's dry. There's no clean that up.
Might want to back up.
Huh?
Might want to back up.
No, that's fine. You can sit there. I want you to sit there.
Shut up.
Okay, so we're putting the putting the dry
Hurry
ice.
up. Battery's almost dead.
Alright, well, Evan, it takes time. Okay, this is a thing to do. Evan,
You don't need that much.
I want that
Can I
much.
have that tomahawk?
No.
I'm gonna take it.
I don't think that's the best
That's
idea.
not very good.
Well, I'm going to.
Okay, this thing's like bubbling.
Alright, that's good.
Okay. The banana for the security of this.
Up.
Show the
She's
top
taking
all
the
the way.
shit.
Are you ready?
What the fuck?
Taking that
Come on,
shit.
come on. Are you ready? No, you need to get closer, sir.
I'm not
okay,
trying
it's
to
the ball.
die.
Okay, we're gonna cap this on and it's gonna be all ready. Okay, so we're just gonna back up slowly. Get a little closer. It's okay, it's just a bomb.
I'm
Just
just
a
not sure
bomb.
what a banana is supposed to be doing.
It's gonna show the intensity of the reaction.
How does it do?
Oh, it's coming. Okay. Ready? Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
The destruction.
I can't hear.
Where the hell did the plastic go?
I can't hear. I
Good.
feel like I have water in my ear. Lucy
Fuck.
was gone, bro.
Well,
Lucy was gone.
if you come over,
Oh fuck.
see the dexterity of the banana.
Where's the rest
Oh
of the
fuck. Right
The
there.
rest of the bananas over here. There's some over
Guys, if the
here.
neighbors called 911.
Oh, where did this one so?
Is that louder than last time?
I think it was. I think it
There's
was.
more pressure of just the
Yeah. It expanded a lot more too.
Yeah.
Did you see the bottle expanding?
Actually, I still can't hear out of my left ear.
Okay, so we're gonna tidy up real quick so the cops don't get called.
It was nuts. I mean, I swear.
Back up,
She
Lucy.
made it here so quick.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it for today. No, I'm just kidding. We're probably gonna do more reckless stuff later. But
I need to move on.
comment down if you think we should try glass so that we can actually make
Don't
the bomb.
comment anything. True. Glass?
Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'll give a shout out to anybody who names
Can
my.
you cut me out of all of this? Like, edit me out of everything.
Whoever puts a number 1 out of 10,000 of how much I hate her gets a shout out. Okay.
He actually loves me.
Anyway, next time we're gonna blow up a cupcake. Stay tuned. Can we actually blow up these cupcakes, please?